Okay, my name is Mohammed Sharif El Hassan, and my colleague is MK Abdullah.
No, for the sake of Nigerians that are not in court today, may we know what transpired in respect of the
Okay,
case of your client?
actually we filed an application for leave for my Lord to review. We call it judicial review, for my Lord to examine the pronouncement of INEC on the declaration made with respect to the election conducted in Adamawa State. This is an ex parte application. We are not expecting anybody, as you can see. When the counsel to the third respondent announced his appearance, my Lord refused to take his appearance because it is by the leave of the court that the action will be initiated. So you don't just be a busybody and appear before the court. What are we looking before the court is whether INEC can set aside a pronouncement made by one of its staff. We are not here to argue election. We don't have anything election before the Supreme Court. What we are trying to do before the Supreme Court is for the court to make a pronouncement as to whether, looking at Section 149 of the Electoral Act, which says whatever action taken by INEC can only be set aside by either election petition tribunal or a court of competent jurisdiction. So an INEC staff standing to make a declaration, whether legitimate or illegitimate, the right thing to do is to approach the tribunal. It is only the tribunal that will determine whether the act is legitimate or illegitimate. So that is the reason why we are in this court. And all my Lord asked for is we should address him on the jurisdiction of the court. And we are gladly taking that. And by the grace of God, in 2 days, our address will be ready before the court.